Looking for a slow cooker that balances size, function, and style while making meal prep a breeze? This KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just getting started, this slow cooker is designed to streamline your kitchen experience, making your favorite recipes healthier and more convenient than ever before. Why choose the KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker? Cooking should be an enjoyable experience, not a hassle. With the KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker, meal preparation is simplified. This versatile kitchen appliance provides everything you need for slow cooking, but it goes beyond just making delicious stews. It's packed with features that will save you time, improve your meals, and make cleanup a breeze. If you're searching for the ideal balance of capacity, functionality, and modern design, look no further. Key features and benefits. Perfect for large meals. The 8.5-quart capacity allows you to cook for a family of 4 or more without the need to do multiple batches. It's ideal for preparing big meals, including stews, soups, roasts, and even desserts. You'll never run out of space to feed everyone. This slow cooker is equipped with an easy-to-use digital countdown timer that allows you to set your cook time anywhere from 30 minutes to 20 hours. Whether you need a quick meal or you're planning to cook while you're at work, this programmable feature lets you set it and forget it. Plus, the cooker automatically switches to the warm setting once the cooking time is complete, keeping your meal hot and ready to serve. With the KOOC slow cooker, you can enjoy healthier meals without worrying about nutrient loss. Its low-power operation preserves the essential vitamins and minerals in your food, helping you prepare nutrient-rich dishes that taste incredible while keeping the health benefits intact. The KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker comes with 5 slow cooker liners designed to save you time and effort on cleanup. No more scrubbing the pot after each use. Simply line the pot before cooking and discard the liner after your meal. This feature makes cleanup almost effortless and helps maintain the integrity of your cookware. The slow cooker features an upgraded ceramic pot that ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. Its sturdy stainless steel exterior is not only stylish but also built to last, with a sleek design that complements any kitchen decor. KOOC offers a wide range of sizes, from the compact 2-quart model to the generous 8.5-quart version. With a selection of modern colors available, the KOOC slow cooker fits seamlessly into your kitchen, no matter your style preferences. The 8.5-quart model offers the perfect blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal. KOOC is committed to 100% customer satisfaction. Should you need assistance, their dedicated and professional customer support team is ready to help with any questions or concerns. Whether it's a question about usage or a concern about your product, you can trust KOOC to be there every step of the way. How KOOC slow cooker makes your life easier. Set it and forget it. The programmable timer takes all the guesswork out of cooking. Start it in the morning and come home to a perfectly cooked meal. Save time and energy. Forget about stirring and checking on your meal. With the KOOC slow cooker, you can cook large quantities at once and ensure everything is done to perfection. Health-conscious cooking. Slow cooking helps preserve nutrients better than other cooking methods. It's a healthier way to cook without compromising on flavor. Perfect for every occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, preparing a holiday feast, or cooking for the week, the KOOC 8.5-quart slow cooker has the capacity you need. It's great for busy families, meal prepping, or those who love to entertain. What's included in the box? KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker. 5 slow cooker liners for easy cleanup. Instruction manual for straightforward setup and usage. Why you should buy the KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker. The KOOC 8.5-quart programmable slow cooker is not just another kitchen appliance, it's an investment in time, health, and convenience. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, save time, or just enjoy delicious meals with minimal effort, this slow cooker is your ideal companion. With its large capacity, programmable features, and health-conscious cooking, the KOOC 8.5-quart slow cooker stands out from the crowd. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Plus, with the 5 free slow cooker liners, you get even more value, making cleanup a breeze. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.